So what's the best crypto off-ramp? This video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. Now, if you've been learning about crypto, you might want to know how to take your earnings and turn them into cash. Now, an off-ramp is the way that you can convert your crypto into real money when you're ready. So it's important it's an important step to make sure that your investments work for you. All right? So step one, choose a safe and reliable platform. One of the best ways to do this is through crypto.com. This platform makes it easy to convert your crypto into cash whenever you need it. You can also transfer your money into your bank account with just a few clicks. All right? Step two, once you've signed up on crypto.com, go ahead and connect your bank account. This makes it easier to move your money from crypto into your bank. You can start with just, a small amount and see how easy the process is. You don't have to go crazy and start spending big and start worrying about money. Step three, you got to keep an eye out on the fees, okay? Some platforms may charge you for taking your crypto out. So it's a good idea you understand how much it's going to cost you before making your withdrawal. And by the way, if you're not one of the 100 million people on crypto.com already, open an account through my referral link below because we can both get rewarded in very nice ways.